Wow. They went all out. They hung a net from the ceiling. Okay.
Pretty good. For 89 bucks or what? Oh, yeah.
Where's the ladder at, Mike?
In the truck.
Alright, can I use it real quick? I got a Guitar Hero. Bicycle handles. Thank you. Let's see what else we got in here. Another tire, no rim. Some kind of shelf. Bicycle wheels. Wow. Bicycle parts, I think. Can't get to that one very good. Light bulb. Table saw. Hey Josh.
Yeah.
I don't know. I know Candace said she was taking notes or whatever. There's a table saw in here. I'm not sure who the make is, but I'm trying to find out. So that way she can put it on her.
It's
you know.
green, so it looks like a Makita.
That's what I was thinking too. So. Yeah, I'm gonna assume it's a Makita. Yeah. Paperwork, clothes. What's that? Fossil wallet.
Now, buddy.
No cash. No cash.
I can give you more room in front if you want.
I pulled out the one thing I think I can pull out, because anything else, I don't know.
How deep is this?
It's a 5x5. So I don't want to. I can try to stick my head in here a little bit. I know we have a Makita table saw down here.
Oh, nice.
So that's nice, yeah.
Okay. Alright.
That's about it for this one, man. Lots of bike parts.